Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm back for good to give you guys some random stuff. And we're starting off with some of Little McDonald's Happy Meal. I do know na medyo late na ako dito, but I still want to share with you guys how they look like. I specifically bought 3 just to check if they're worth it. So the first one we have here is a miniature McDonald's restaurant. Sabi nga nila kung gusto mo maging branch owner and wala kang pera, go for this one. But kidding aside, this one's cute, but I wish that it's a little bit bigger. So this next one I have is the replica of the brown bag or takeout bag, which includes stickers inside. So this is really cool if you love stickers. Finally, I got what they call the booth, which is a classic replica of their booth inside the restos. And it includes stickers so that you can pretend that there's a table set for you. So that's it for my random stuff of the day. Remember, I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's gonna be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.